She's going inside and act like as if she's coming out just now, but it's the fourth time that we are shooting this. Let's go.
It's day 2. Let's go. Beat up Valley. So we just got done with lunch and we are on our way back to cottage. And from here we'll take the taxi to go to Beat Valley. Food is okay, but I'm a Naga, so it's always Naga food first. But the tea, it's like one of the best tea that I've ever had. Being a tea lover, I know what's good and bad. So yeah, I like the tea. Okay, let's go get that food and we'll head to Baisaran. Oh no, Beat Valley. Okay, it's almost 2 p.m. and our day hasn't been that successful yet. We were planning to go to Beat Valley, but apparently the governor is here, so they closed the entire area. And it's drizzling a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna rain because the clouds, it's not that dark. Anyway, we have decided to go to Baisaran, which is also called the mini Switzerland. So I'm looking forward to that. Let's get going. Our pony, it's here. So nice. Oh my god, I'm scared, but oh, so cool. Hello, boy. Wow. 1, 2, 3, go. No.
Look at what they got ourselves into. Freaking horse rides.
Oh my
So
god.
scary. Look. Say something, Ata.
Richard, your horse farts a lot, just like the rider. Just like you. Oh my god. Hey guys, tell me how was your horse ride?
It was amazing for me. It was like the first time that I, rode a horse. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't easy, especially when there's like steep climb and there's like, you have to go down really.
Yeah.
There was like, it was hard.
What about you, Richie?
Didn't enjoy it, man. Nope.
Me too. Yeah, I didn't like it. It was so painful and so hard. I didn't even get to enjoy the view, but here we are. This made it all worth it. My goodness, the closest to Switzerland that we can ever get. Woo! This is Baisaran in Bahagam. Me too. Hello.
Hey, Bitu. His name is Bitu. It's Bitu, you're so Bitu. Cute, yeah.
Look at this face. Oh, it's so cute. So many people are scared to go down. That's the reason why Richie and I are going down by foot. It's gonna take us about an hour to go down, but I can't. I just can't ride the horse anymore. Okay guys, we had a really tiresome day today, but it was all worth it. It was so beautiful. I really enjoyed the entire day, and even more better because we had butter chicken and butter naan at this restaurant. It was so nice. Richard had mutton korma and rice. So yeah, that's all for my vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow.